bit by bit, day by day, making progress here in the Down to Earth Woodworking Shop, or what I hope will soon be the Down to Earth Woodworking Shop. I've been putting up siding over here in this corner of the shop where I'm working now. This product is made by Louisiana Pacific, or LP, and it's called Smart Side Siding. Now, the first thing you need to know about this product is it's heavy. So if you're thinking about putting this up, you may want to get a friend to help you. Now, I'm not talking bodybuilder mega heavy, but nonetheless pretty heavy. You have to kind of wrestle it to get it into position if you're working by, whoa, Steve, look out for those lights. Well, why is it so heavy? First of all, it's 7/16 of an inch thick. For my overseas metrics buddies, that's almost half an inch. And of course it comes in 4x8 sheets, so it's pretty heavy. Weighs about 48 pounds. A sheet of half-inch sheetrock weighs about 53 pounds, so 48 pounds is pretty close to that. Now, as I said, it sort of looks like masonite on the back too, but when you turn it around on the front, it's got this nice fall wood grain on it, and it's been primed, so it really looks nice. Now, there's a couple more things that you need to know about this product if you're going to use it in your shop. When you go to cut out openings for switches and outlets, you need to be very, very careful. With sheetrock, if you cut a hole too big, you could always patch around it. And if you cut a hole too small or slightly off and you push the sheetrock up to the wall, you can always use a rasp or a hole saw or even a razor knife and just trim it out quickly and push it on up and you're done. Not with this product. If you get it up to the wall and the hole's not in the right place, you're going to be pulling it back down, going back to the workbench and recutting the hole. And if you cut the hole too big, there's really not a way to patch this, so you're probably going to wind up wasting a sheet. So don't just measure twice and cut once, measure 3 times, really check it out. Another thing you want to remember about this product is that it has shiplapped edges. That's so that the next sheet butts up, goes over this, and forms this little bead here, and it looks nice as you go around the wall. But you want to be real careful that you get the orientation correct, because after you do all that measuring and cut out for your outlets and switch boxes and find out you've got the sheet upside down, there may be some colorful language coming out of your shop. Now, to attach this paneling to the wall, I'm using these painted paneling nails. These are tan, so they actually match the color pretty well. And they have little rings along the shank of the nail, which keeps it from pulling out and helps hold it up tight against the wall. And of course, you want to use your story pole and put it up against the wall so you know where to drive these nails. Wouldn't want to hit a wire and sort of have a shocking experience. And one last thing to remember about this stuff is it doesn't flex and doesn't bend. So you want to make sure that when you start in the corner and start working your way around, that you get that first sheet perfectly straight, especially in the vertical orientation. Otherwise, as you go around the room, you're going to continually be fighting that, trying to get the sheets up straight. All in all, this is a really great product for the shop. It's nice and sturdy, seems to give a little soundproofing to the room. I know it's giving some insulation property, and I just like it because it's nice and sturdy. Okay, so we've kind of got this corner moving along here. The next thing to do is to go ahead and put in the outlets, the switches, and tie those into the circuit breaker box. And this corner will be ready to build the stairs up to the second level. And then I can start working around the rest of the shop. So go ahead and click on the next video, and I'll show you how I'm wiring everything up.